Hello, I'm Hugh from All Preparation Equipment. Today we'll be going through some tips and tricks on how to set up your DSM250 Variable Speed edge floor grinder to get the best results on site. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel if you haven't already. The DSM250 Variable Speed has all the benefits of the fixed speed grinder, but the variable speed control gives you greater flexibility for a wider range of applications, from your initial cut, grinding off glues and coatings, to grouting and even a full mechanical polished concrete floor. For setting up your grinder, always make sure the power is unplugged before changing the tooling. We've got a tube spanner at the back below the dust port, which will assist with loosening the red locking ring. Loosen the 3 bolts, which should only be hand tight, and then slide in your knock-on shoes with the skinny edge first. Fit all 6 shoes. This machine also does take the Velcro holding discs for polishing. Once you fit the diamonds, slide the locking ring around to lock the diamonds in place, and then tighten up the 3 locking bolts to ensure they stay in position. Once you fit your diamonds, it's a good idea to check the level of the machine. You can adjust the level by using this dial and then checking it with the level bubble on the right. That raises the back axle until it's level with the grinding shoes. It's a good idea to check the level of that while you're grinding. Next we have the edging shroud. So at the moment it's in the middle position. Can be adjusted left or right by loosening the orange handle and then lifting the silver latch, and then twist the handle left or right and then lock into place. The shroud swivels so that you can run down the edge of a wall and the grinder runs parallel. When starting the grinder, you always ensure that the diamonds are off the floor, so it's started in the air and not under load. And also, when you pull the trigger, you can pull left or right or both, but you slide the trigger to the left, slide it sideways and then on. We've got the variable speed dial up the top. So usually you'd start at a half speed for polishing, or for grinding and honing, polishing. With diamonds you'd have it at full speed. For grouting you'd usually have it about halfway, but that depends on the hardness of the concrete. You've got the water tank here, which can be connected with the hose through the dust port, and then you can adjust the flow rate with this dial. If you're wanting to use it dry, you simply take that out and then connect the hose up instead. We've got also an edging cover for better dust control to cover up the edging flap, and that slides around the back. Also got the handle at the front for lifting upstairs, which makes it easier for harder to get places. When plugging in the power, always ensure that you've got a heavy duty lead. We recommend 2.5mm square, so that the grinder is getting sufficient power, and also with all the single phase grinders to ensure it's on its own circuit, separate to the vacuum, so that if you're doing heavy grinding or it's loading up the machine, it's getting enough power for the grinder and not tripping the circuit. There is minimal maintenance required on the Schwamborn floor grinders, but it is worth periodically checking the depth of material left on your diamond shoes. Grinding through to the backing plates will likely result in damage to the floor and also the machine. As always, make sure you're wearing the appropriate PPE when working with any machinery, and for more in-depth safety information, refer to the manual. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button before you go. If you're interested in any of the gear we showed you today, call us on 1800 422 992. Catch you on the next one.